to hold it down. Nice job!
Yummy.
Gonna spare you there. My name's Beau. Join me in the bathroom, if you will. Well, today we are taking a look at this water flosser. I started this video off demonstrating the 3 modes. You probably saw the first one was kind of a lot of pressure mode. The next one was the soft mode, and then there was a pulsing mode. And it does come with a whole bunch of different brushes, and the water reservoir does last one routine, so you know, top and bottom, front and inside, and it lasts on one of these, and it fills all the way up to 10 ounces. And to turn it on, you hold that down and it turns on, and to stop it, you just click that once. To change the mode, which you saw me doing, is that bottom one right there. And so fairly simple to work with. So I've noticed that some of these can be, well, a bit complex. I don't know why you need to make something like this complex. And when it's in your mouth, you can't see the buttons, so you're going by feel. So it's necessary that it needs to be simple, okay? All right, so let's take a look at a few of the heads right here. By the way, I'm obviously not a dentist, so I defer to you dental professionals out there. I'm not trying to oversell anything, nor am I trying to replace the beautiful manual toothbrush or floss. You need that abrasion to scrape all that yucky plaque off. So this is more so for people like my daughter who has a permanent retainer in, or actually it's an expander. And it's really hard for her to get in there, especially since she's 7 years old. It's hard for her to get in there with floss. And so this is certainly better than nothing. So that's my particular use right there. I don't know about you guys. Anyway, as for heads, this actually kind of surprised me. So I thought that this head right there, it's just, you can barely see the little hole, but it's plastic. Not the most comfortable things when you're going along, and it's kind of hitting your teeth as you go along. It's not comfortable. And this one is fairly similar. And then this one, it looks like it would really, really hurt, but surprise, it's just a soft little guy. See, that's no big deal. Right. But personally, I don't use this because I think the jet stream is way too sharp or hard of a jet stream. So I actually prefer the little brushes, whether it's this little brush thing like this or this little brush thing like so. Because as you're going along, cleaning your teeth in kind of a scalloped motion, you know, you're kind of scooping along, I found that this little brush was helpful because it kind of added a little cushion, or a pillow, if you will, so you weren't hitting your teeth with a plastic head, right? So, and yet it didn't quite obstruct the stream coming out. It could still like hit my gums and get between my teeth for the most part. Again, personally, I would recommend, if you don't have braces or any kind of hardware, if you can get floss in there. I'm not a dental professional, but I got a lot more little food particles out with just basic floss than this. But it's fun, and if it's for your particular need, like my daughter, then I would say it's a 5 out of 5 stars. Plus, it doesn't take up that much counter space. I don't have a lot of space to work with, especially when my wife comes in and she starts putting on her makeup-y things on the counter. And look at that. As opposed to a conventional water pick, which I have had before, they take up a lot more real estate. And so I do appreciate it about that. The only thing to keep in mind is that to charge this thing, it does come with a little USB cable. It does not actually come with a wall plug. And so it's a little weird, but you might need the wall plug that adapts to a USB cable in order to plug into that. I'm sure you have one, if not 5, laying around your house, but it was a little weird. Like they almost assume that you're gonna charge your water flosser in your computer. It would have been nice just to include a 20-cent wall plug, but anyway, that's a side thing. It's really not a make or break. It was just kind of bizarre. But that's it. Overall, 5 out of 5 stars. Highly recommended. certainly within my price point. My name is Beau. You can check out the link in the description below and also look at other people's reviews. Highly recommended. Definitely do your research, especially when you're putting, your teeth on the line. You want to be careful with them, right? So that's it. My name is Beau. Catch you later.